Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain upcasting and downcasting. Upcasting. Assigning an object or object reference of subclass to superclass type is known as upcasting. See, assigning an object or object reference of subclass to superclass type is known as upcasting. See, for example, A is a class, B is a one more class, A class, B class. A class is a superclass of B class. A class inherited in B class. B class derived from A class. A is a superclass. B is a subclass. In this diagram, B class object or B class reference, if you assign to A class, that is called upcasting. Upcasting done by system implicitly. Upcasting always valid. I'll show you. Here A class, here B class. A is a superclass, B is a subclass. In this diagram, assigning object of B class or object reference of B class to A class is called upcasting. See examples. A OB equal to new B. In this line, B class object created assigned to A class reference. So B is a subclass, A is a superclass. Subclass object assigned to superclass reference. It is called upcasting. Second example, B OB1 equal to new B. In this line, B class object created and B class reference created. B class object assigned to B class reference. In this line, no casting. A OB2 equal to OB1. Here, OB1 is a reference of B class assigned to OB2 is a reference of A class. B class reference assigned to A class. It is called upcasting. This line upcasting. in this line also upcasting. Here, what is the difference between first example and second example? You observe, in first example, B class object assigned to A class reference. In second example, B class reference assigned to A class reference. So in first example, object assigned, second example, object reference assigned. Assigning an object or object reference of subclass to superclass type is known as upcasting. Upcasting done by system implicitly, automatically done. Upcasting always valid. So this upcasting valid. This upcasting is valid. This upcasting also valid. How it is valid? Just observe. In both the examples, B class object created. Then memory allocated to A class and B class. It is A class memory. It is B class object. B object. It is A memory. Here B memory. In a B object, A memory present and B memory present. B object assigned to A valid because A memory present. Here also B object, B reference assigned to A valid because A memory present in a B object. That is the reason valid. Now I'll explain downcasting. It is just reverse. Assigning an object or object reference of superclass to subclass type is known as downcasting. Say here, assigning an object or object reference of subclass to superclass type is known as upcasting, but here reverse. Assigning an object or object reference of superclass to subclass type is known as downcasting. Say, for example, A class, B class. Here A is a superclass and B is a subclass. A is a superclass, B is a subclass. A class object or A class reference if you assign to B class. A class object or A class reference if you assign to B class, it is downcasting. It is downcasting. Upcasting done by system implicitly, but downcasting must be done by programmer explicitly. Downcasting must be done by programmer explicitly. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. And also one more thing, here upcasting always valid, but if you want to do downcasting, upcasting compulsory required. Downcasting always needs upcasting. If you want to do downcasting, you need to check 2 points. First of all, upcasting is there or not, you have to check. If it is there, explicitly converted or not, you have to check. If it is there, then valid. Okay, I'll show you. Here A class, here B class. See, it is A class, it is B class. A is a superclass, B is a subclass. A is a superclass, B is a subclass. Now, assigning A class object or A class reference to B class type is known as downcasting. Now, examples. First one, B OB equal to new A. Here A object created and assigned to B, it is called downcasting. Second one, A OB1 equal to new A. B OB2 equal to OB1. Here A class object assigned to B, here A class reference assigned to B, but it is also invalid, it is also invalid downcasting. Invalid downcasting, invalid downcasting, because if you want to do downcasting, compulsory upcasting required as well as explicit type conversion required, otherwise not valid. It is invalid downcasting. It is also invalid downcasting. One more example, third one, A OB1 equal to new A. B OB2 equal to, in the brackets, B OB1. This is explicit type conversion. Fourth one, B OB equal to, in the brackets, B new A. It is explicit type conversion, but these two also not valid, because here explicit type conversion present, but there is no upcasting. If you want to do downcasting, upcasting required, otherwise not valid. Why? I'll explain. It is also invalid downcasting. See fifth one more I'll give. A OB1 equal to new B. B OB2 equal to OB1. You observe B object created assigned to A reference, that is called upcasting. It is valid upcasting. This is invalid downcasting. Because explicit type conversion not present. So sixth example, A OB1 equal to new B. B OB2 equal to explicit type conversion OB1. If you write like this, it is valid upcasting. If you write like this, it is valid downcasting. Because in this sixth example, upcasting present as well as explicit type conversion also present. If you want to do downcasting, upcasting required as well as explicit type conversion required. Both are there valid. You observe sixth example, in a first line, B object created assigned to A reference, nothing but upcasting. B object assigned to A reference, upcasting. After that, OB1 is a reference of A, explicitly converted into B, after that assigned. It is called downcasting. For doing downcasting, upcasting required, it is present, as well as explicit conversion required, it is there. That's what sixth one valid. Why fifth one not valid? In a fifth one, upcasting present but explicit type conversion not present. Why third and fourth not valid? In both the cases, explicit type conversion present but upcasting not present. And first and second, there is no explicit type conversion and there is no upcasting. That's what not valid. Why downcasting needs upcasting? You observe first one, second one, third one, fourth one. In four places A object created. If you create A object, only A memory present. That's what not possible. If you create B object, A memory present and B memory present, then according to your requirement you can assign. That's what valid. For getting more information on Java, you can visit my blog Java by Venkatesh Mansani .blogspot.com. You can visit my blog for getting more information on Java.